Africa. Police na guitar. Police na guitar. Police na guitar. You're flying back to Africa.
Morning world. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. It is wedding weekend. We had the rehearsal. I said it's getting to know, seeing the other people who are part of the wedding party and people who have come into town. I guess yesterday was Friday, and then today is Saturday. Hair gonna get braided, nails are gonna get done, brows are going to get threaded, and then tomorrow Sunday, baby, welcome to the party. I didn't hair stuff. That's a whole lot, whatever. But I went there at a new place. I was going to go to, bro. The hair stuff is a lot. I can't even lie, bro. That was the backstory to that one is just going to stay in the back of my brain, because me can't, babes, me can't. Anyway, so I went to there's this African braiding shop by me, and I went there. When they opened, said the chairs were full. I say, wait, mind you, the place opened at 9. I'm there by 9, full. I'm like, so what time did you guys show up? What? Anyways, the place was packed. So I just like, oh, that's calm. She told me I can go there back at 1 p.m. It's 10 right now. So I was like, cool. Let me just get my nails done then. And then if I have time, not if I have time, I'm going to have time. I'll get my eyebrows threaded as well. So right now I'm at the nail shop. It just opened up right now. It's 10:04, but I'm going to wait till a couple minutes and then I'm going to go in, get my nails done, mani-pedi. So I want to get that squared away, and then I want to get a French tip. I've never got a French tip before, so I want to get a French tip square, oval, maybe square, pure square or oval, maybe pure square. I don't know, but I want to go and do that. And then look at my case. You like my new case? It's from Aisley. I don't want the place to be packed up again and to be like, mind you, my hair. So I want to have a hoodie in my car, thank God. So I want to have my hoodie and I go inside. Plus, I'm always cold anyway, so it's. I wish I could fly down to Orlando and get my nails done. Like that place in Orlando, down that one time I went there. Oh, it's not recording you. It's just in the ground. You're fine. My toes did not finish peeling. It's jarring me, bro. Ugh, annoying. Annoying. Okay. It's good. Yeah. Okay. The pedicure was funny. The dude was playing with my tungwe. What's it called in English? I don't know what's called in English, but I was just playing with it. It's so funny. Mara. Washing hands. Pretty. I like it, bro. This is my first time doing a French tip. It is literally gorgiana. They took a bit of time doing the nails, especially the feet. Alright, man, this is too funny. And then he was practically doing the bombisky, they go study test of medicine where they crawl up the top of your foot to make sure if it goes up like this or does that. He was doing that. I'm like, oh crap, my thing is going like this. I think that's good. I forgot. I need to look it up again. But yeah, I was like, hold on a minute. This is the Bablinski, but whatever. But it was fun. It was cool. It was expensive, man. Expensive. But worth it, 100%. This is my favorite nail that I've gotten from them. I've gone to them for my high school graduation. I got long white nails. I didn't like the style. I think it's a style that I didn't like too tough because it was also very long. I didn't like it too tough, but it was alright. And then I think I've only gone to them once. And then am I supposed to be turning here? About IDK. Chewing on the Orlando nails. So sorry, Orlando. Chewing. Bye. Let me drive. Hopefully I can reduce this bump down. Alright. Everything is done now. The eyebrows, I need to grow them, bro. They always, whatever. Anyways, hair's done, nails done. Ready for tomorrow. I haven't eaten anything or drank anything the whole day. I left my water in the house on the counter. Go home, eat, sleep. I'm tired. need to sleep so I can be able to. Actually, I want to curl the hair because our hair is supposed to be curling. So I want to curl the hair and then I want to go sleep. Put it in them things, the foam wrapper thingy majiggies, so they can just curl up, I guess, overnight plus tomorrow, and then yeah, time to go home. Bye. Hey guys, it's 9:34. I go home a while back, but I've just been setting my vanity lights. I've been setting up my vanity lights because why not? And then now I'm on my vanity. I'm going to, how do you call it? I'm going to set up my makeup stuff for tomorrow, so I just grab and go. My shoes, clothes is already out, so I can just grab and go. As of right now though, I want to make my hair. I'm watching the side. How long is it? 30 minutes? I'm 30 minutes in, it's 30 minutes remaining. The lady who made it, she said don't brush, to just how do you call this, comb through it. I guess, I don't know, it's my first time having a sewing, so you know say. And I've never had the sewing before because I have 4C hair. Love my hair bad. I just didn't, it's not matching with the bandos, and then also, how do you call it, heat. I haven't flat ironed my hair since last year because bro, I went to a, what's it called, and the lady was like, oh my goodness, your hair is so thick, I went out to flat iron it to comb. I should have got up then and there. All I know that hair trip was a nightmare. We don't talk about that. But yeah, anyways, let's do this. I want to go through it with a, what is this thing called? My blow dryer, flat iron, hot comb to make this part. It's so bumpy. I'm gonna try to flatten it down as much as I can, and then curl it. After curling it is when I'm going to put these rods in so they can stay overnight. And go team break. This is about to take a while. I finished curling it up in the bathroom because I have a 3-way mirror there. Much easier. So I just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, stay. I'm going to put this in. I have others. These are the ones I already had, and then I have these ones. These ones are 1 1/4 inch. I want to double them up, maybe. So how many is that? 6? Quick maths. Plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. You get me, vibes. Someone did on TikTok. She's like, curl your hair and then use the clips when it's still hot. You know, hold it in your hand. No, put it in the clips. I was like, see. Alright, since like it's already cooled off, but I want it to just like cool off some more. I'm gonna let it ride. Anyways, for to makeup, I want to do. Uche went to a wedding. She was a bridesmaid. Which not really base queen. What the hell? Dirty. Okay, this was base, bro. Also, follow me on Instagram first of all. Can you see it? Follow me. Anyway, yeah, the base queen herself. And she posted the look with that eyeshadow. I'm like, tea for me, because you know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm going to be doing, I practically have every single thing. So I'm going to go through step by step and get what she used, which I have with me. Put it out so tomorrow I just bam, use makeup is done. But for right now, I'm just out putting purple or red eyeliner. Because why not? And these ones are the ones that came like in 50 pack. Nabi. I don't use them really. It's just literally for decoration because it's just like totally colors. They are not great in my opinion. But whatever. Okay, this is shade deep purple. First of all, for them to show up is also. Oh, this one is showing up. I actually like it. Is it making my eye pop? You know say. But I like it. I think. Yeah, I like that one. It's pretty low-key. And then these two, one of them is cabaret, the other one is hot red. Let me try hot red actually. Red. Hot red is making it look as it's showing up cabaret on the other half. I can see hot red, but it's making it look as if I have a disease. I'm not saying anyone with red under eyes has a disease. Alright. Cabaret is like more inside, hot red on the outside. Purple one more, I believe. Purple. Yeah, I wish I had a blue one. I think purple because blush is going to be pink, lips are going to be like a niche type color. Yeah. Now let's set up my station for tomorrow. Alright, she used Charlotte Tilbury. I don't got Charlotte Turbs, but I do have the e.l.f. Holy Face Cream with Niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Wow, let's speed that up. Then it's America's Water Powder Serum. We get stuck on something. Alright, Oh, sunscreen, you guys. Sunscreen I use is sin free. I don't know if she uses sunscreen, but sunscreen first. And then lucky because everything is going to be too matte. I'm going to take this out and mix this. It's the L bronzing in the copper gold. I'm going to take this and mix it in with my sunscreen. That's usually how I do it. And then, again, because everything's going to be too mattifying, I'm going to take this out as well. Actually, this one, if I put it on low key, oh, I have an idea. Low key makes me, how do you call it? Switch everything up. But we're going to go to rehearsal before that. Rehearsal is like a I can use this, the L and the sunscreen beforehand. So while we're over there, this is all sitting in my face. And then when I come back home to actually do the makeup, can use this and these. The way she's doing her makeup, because other things are going to just be skincare. You get my sunscreen, the bronzing drips, and the CoreStarX T. Okay, I get my brushes out. I'll get them out later. Foundation. I'm going to use my Max in the shade NW45, and where's that one? There it is. I always mix it with the NARS Deep Iguaku Deep 3. So I put saying all this now so tomorrow when if I don't film it, it'll just be drrr. So Studio Fix goes here. The other one goes everywhere else at the bottom. And then low-key, where's my... Again, I want everything to stay. Before I want to do foundation, I want to do more Dennis Amarix. I'm trying to decide. So I have both Dennis Amarix's 9.5 color, the universal shade. So should I use... Wherever I get oily a lot. And that's wherever. My eyebrows, my T-zone. Alright, perf. Speed through that. Concealer. She's this Huda Beauty I want to use on my Too Faced. The lighter color I have is Maple. The darker one is Cocoa. The darker one first. So everything like makes sense. Then I use the other one later. And then contour. No contour. Straight up bronzing. I have the e.l.f. bronzing in the shade Deep Intense. Just straight up bronzing everywhere. No contours, just bronzing. e.l.f. Camera Hot Pink is what she's using, and I guess what I have? e.l.f. Camera Hot Pink. Okay, then she does like setting powder. This one is coconut candy. It's like a bit. This is a bit yellow. Perfect. These two go together. This goes there. All right. So let's rewind real quick. Go forward a bit. Okay. Powder blush. It's a bit. Let me see. It's a bit orangey. Sometimes if like one that's a bit orange, I'm going to use, hold on, is this fun? No, it's pink. So if I want, I'm going to use volume number 5 in Juvia's Palace. I'm going to use the top shade, and then this one maybe in the inner corner. But then if I want something like orange, naranja, Juvia's Palace in volume 1, this shade here or this top one. This a bit more purple. We're going to stick with pink. We're going to do pink. Yeah, we'll do the pink one, just to make it more cohesive. And then she uses Charlotte Tilbury. I have the Maybelline Fit Me. Put that there. I think she has already done mascara and other things, but she didn't show it. Mascara I'm going to use and I'm going to use my bottom lashes. Oh, I need to put my finger on. I'm going to put it tomorrow. Mascara I use 2. I use Fenty's Hella Thick, and this one I got it as a birthday gift. Too Faced. I'm going to use it on my bottom lashes. On my top lashes, I'm going to do clusters. Try these new ones that I got. Those are cute, but I know All Faithful works. I got them on Amazon. These are the hold on, look at the lashes. Listen. Okay, and then the lips I have practically everything she has, but let me listen. In here somewhere. That's Light Lux. Brick Mocha. All right. Brick Mocha, ABH Warm Taupe. I don't have ABH Warm Taupe, but I do have Modesty by MAC. I have Fussy Heat, but I don't have the other one. So, oh wait, I have Fenty Glow. I do have Fussy Heat. That's hot chocolate. That's red. Is it like a bit pinkish? It's a bit pinkish. I want to use my here's my thing. All right, for the lip combo, I'm going to actually practice it right now. Yeah, lip combo right now. And then my setting sprays. She has Charlotte Tilbury, all of them. I'm going to use Vanessa Marix and L'Oreal and Benai. Yeah, Benai Final Seal. All right. Let me put this out for my lashes. Alright, oh, for the lashes, that's what I was talking about. Okay. Alright, for the lashes, this is the one I usually use the... Oh, I need to open this. I don't know how to... I can't open it with my finger, with my nails. Okay, this is the one I use. Is the Jeremiah. 16, 14, 12, 10. I usually go 14, 12, 10. Tomorrow I'll do 16, 14, 14, 12, 10. Hopefully, you know, say. We'll figure it out when we get there. Let me open up this one. I like it. Cat eye. Even that one is cat eye. I feel like it looks great on me. Let me see. They're so cute. They're not numbered. That's worrying me. The fact that it's not numbered. It's not numbered. I'm guessing it's also weighing 16. Look about the same size actually. Really, same thing in it. Perfect plan. It's 22.45. 10.45. Let's do the combo real quick.
I've been twice.
This is what people call bombing.
KSI, plane fell off. Launch lead, no one cares about. I'm sick of it. 100 million NPCs, what's that?
I mean, I think of it and everybody knows. My teeth, I need to bring them out more.
Thinking.
But I hope that I can't have the blings at the reception, but hold on, at the ceremony, but at the reception I can't have them on, which tea, because the bride is going to have her grills. That's why I literally bling my teeth out, because, you know, let me not waste my Marvia now. Modesty, Mac.
Can you please take off your bandana, KSI? Yeah, no saving that.
That's enough for me, man.
I'm a bit ashy right now. I'll fix it. What should I use? No, Menso. Let's use Maybelline Petal. It's also going to depend with how the makeup looks. Let me try e.l.f. What is it? Sparkling Rose. Alright, and then Fenty Heat. Loki. I want to darken up the liner. Yeah? Hold on. Darken the liner. Or maybe I use a tiny bit of the modesty because it's what's making it more great. Let me go look in the mirror in the bathroom mirror because the lighting is different. Well, now this light is the same as one in that there, but still. Let me go look and see. I think I like it though, but it's too, something is amiss. I don't know what. Well, of course something is amiss. It's not a full beat, so it looks weird. But I like it. I think I like it. I like it. Allergy. Yes. Yeah. Nothing is necessarily showing with that one. All right. One of us. Let's try a red. And still going to go in with wild cherry, gold cherry, wild cherry red. I don't know. Let's go with hot cherry by Fenty. Why do I like it? Why do I like it? Whatever. Okay, so tomorrow, day off, when I'm doing my makeup, I'll see how everything is going to look, and then I'll add depending. Yeah. All right. It's 11 o'clock. Let me do my curls and then go to bed. I'll take off my phone as well. Okay. Wipe this off here. Finish my hair. All right. It's time when she saved me. Oh, let me take off my brushes that I need to use for everything. Crikey. I'll do that later. Also, I need to get hairspray. I don't have any hairspray right now. Okay. Tea. Oh.